Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Class Trading right here to cTrader. And go to cTrader.com and then right here select brokers, select load more, and then we scroll down right here where we will find right here Class Trading. Then from here we click on open account, and then what you need to know that right now at KlasFX you need to create yourselves an account. You can do this right here at start trading, or you can do this right here at a demo account. You can decide for yourself what you want to do. And then right now when you're creating that account, you need to use exactly the same email address that you are using right here in cTrader. So when we go right here to cTrader, click right in the top, and then you need to use this email address that is standing right here. Then after that, we go back and then make sure that you do the complete setup for your account. And then also select right there at platform type cTrader. Don't do MT4, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Select cTrader. Then finish your setup. And then after that, he will automatically sync KlasFX right here or Class Trading to cTrader. So then go to cTrader, go right in the top, and then you will find here a list with all the accounts that we linked. And then you will find Class Trading, KlasFX standing right here in this list. But this will only happen if you're using the same email address and that you select a platform type cTrader. So with those two steps, you will find it right here, select it, and then you can start trading on cTrader. So this is how you can connect Class Trading to cTrader right here. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.